So with the default invoice, you can always change. Let me show you how to edit an invoice. If you don't like the format that is there, or if you want to add more things on the invoices, like maybe you want to add your account details, or you want to add the terms of payment on your invoice, that does not come with the default invoice on QuickBooks. So you can always change that. So you just come to settings, then go to custom form styles. Then from custom form styles, you can edit. So there's usually this default invoice that comes with the software, but you can change that. So you can change the design if you want. You can change the content. So the content that is here is where the person you're billing, the PIN number of the company, those ones you can keep, but you can just change to your company PIN. And then if you need to change any other content, like maybe add the account details or the terms of payment, this is where you come to. So if you also want to change the content that usually is on the, when you send the quotation or an invoice directly from QuickBooks, there's usually a message that is on the invoice. If you want to change that, you can customize your own message and come to account and settings, custom chat form styles, and then you can change that message and save. So you don't have to be doing this every time you create an invoice. Once you save the changes that you make here, automatically when you create an invoice, the changes will be on your invoice.